Welcome to the World Agri-Tech Innovation Summit 2021. This video will show you how to best use the virtual event platform. You'll be sent an email to log into the platform, which will come from noreply@swapcard.com. Click on the Let's Get Started button to enter the platform. Once you've entered the platform, click the Edit button above your details on the left-hand side of your page to complete your profile. Based on your registration information, a profile is created for you, but it is important to complete your profile with additional information because this will enable you to make the best connections via the platform. The matchmaking artificial intelligence within the platform favours profiles which are most complete. So a profile with a photo will be given priority over a profile without a photo, for example. So it's important to enter as much information as you can. To your profile, you can add a headshot, biography, edit details imported from your event registration, add additional contact information, link social media accounts, and add information about your company. All this information will enrich your profile and allow artificial intelligence to help you find the most relevant people with whom you can connect. Once you have updated your profile, head to the My Planner tab. Here, you'll be able to manage your schedule during the summit. First of all, check My Meetings to see if you received any meeting requests from other delegates. You can accept and decline each meeting, and once you have accepted it, it will be added to My Schedule. You can also mark yourself as unavailable at specific times by clicking Make Unavailable next to that time slot. And these will then no longer be displayed on your profile, and other participants will no longer be able to book meetings with you on these slots. At any time, you can make these times available again by clicking Make Available. The My Planner page is where you're able to see your chosen sessions and roundtables, and where you can manage your one-to-one meetings, and we'll come to each of these in turn. Clicking back on the home page, let's first look at the Watch Live button. Here you are able to watch the live sessions and see the sessions that are coming up next, which will also play after each session finishes. Note that the session timings are adapted to your computer's location. On the right-hand side, you can chat with other attendees also watching the session, ask questions to speakers, and answer any polls. The speakers and sponsor profiles are also linked to the relevant sessions. Clicking on the Agenda button shows you the full agenda for the summit. On the left, you can apply filters and search for either plenary sessions or specific tracks, and the right shows you sessions that you have registered for. You don't need to register for sessions, but to add them to your personal schedule, click on the plus icon or click on the session itself and click Register. And these will then be shown in My Planner, My Schedule. As soon as the session begins, you can watch them live by clicking on the session title or by simply clicking the Watch Live button. All sessions will be available to watch on demand for a month after the live event. You can also continue to message speakers, exhibitors, and attendees for this month to ensure you maximise your networking value from the summit. Next, let's look at the Book One-to-One Meetings button. Here, you will see a list of all delegates registered for the summit. And as mentioned earlier, based on the information you've added to your profile, the system will display at the top of the list AI matches. On the left, you can search the attendee list for specific names or companies, or filter the list by company type, company or country. To connect with someone, click on their profile, add a message and click Send Connection Request, which will then enable you both to share contact details, including email address, telephone and address. Once you have connected, you can then send a private message to that person, and these connections are shown in My Planner, My Networking. To schedule a video meeting, click on the attendee's profile and view all of their available time slots. Select a time, select Virtual, add a message and click Send Meeting Request, and the attendee will be notified of your request. Pending and accepted meetings are shown in the other attendee's profile and under My Planner, My Meetings. These can then also be exported to your computer's calendar. If you have a lot of meetings that have been pending for several days, don't hesitate to cancel some of them to free up meeting slots, as pending meetings block your meeting slots. To reschedule a meeting, you will have to cancel it and book another meeting at a different time. Automatic notifications are sent within the system and are listed in the bell icon. When you receive a meeting request and a few minutes before the meeting starts, you will be sent a reminder. Similarly, when you cancel a meeting, your contact will be notified. During the summit, regularly check My Planner and My Schedule to manage your personal schedule. When it's time for a scheduled meeting, you will see a video call button appear next to the meeting in My Schedule, and also a pop-up notification. Click on this to start the meeting at the set time. Ensure that you can share your camera to help with the face-to-face element during the meeting. Under the networking sessions tab, we have filtered the agenda so that you can easily see the networking sessions that are taking place on both days of the summit. On the round tables tab, this shows the round tables topics. At specific times during the summit, there will be roundtable discussion groups, which you will need to sign up for in advance. Each roundtable is limited to 11 attendees to ensure that they work as an opportunity to drill down into topics in small groups of people where everyone can be shown on screen at once. Each roundtable discussion group is based on a specific theme, offering a valuable opportunity to network, brainstorm solutions, and share ideas with peers on shared areas of interest. On this page, you can find a list of all of the roundtables, the times, the topics, and the hosts. To register for your selected roundtable, add the session to your agenda, and it will appear under your My Planner tab in My Schedule. When it is time for the roundtable to take place, click on the roundtable session that you have registered for, and a link will be added to the description. This will then take you to the live roundtable discussion. You will need to have your camera and microphone on, as these will work like a Zoom meeting where everyone on the roundtable can talk to and see each other. The exhibition page shows a list of partners, which each having their own virtual exhibition booth, sharing information, links, and documents. Sessions which sponsors are taking part in are also linked to their exhibition booth. You can one-to-one chat with a company on the right-hand side, and also book a meeting in the same way that you would do with an attendee. On the top right, you can bookmark a company, and this will be added to under the My Planner tab, My Bookmark Companies. Each company's representatives are linked to the exhibition booth, and clicking on the name will direct you to their individual profile. There is also a dedicated startups page to show the details of the tech hubs and the Innovation Challenge finalists, with each containing information about their company. Finally, let's head back to the My Planner page. As you can see, the sessions and the roundtables I have registered for now appear in My Schedule, and my confirmed one-to-one meetings will also appear here. You can export the whole schedule to your own computer's calendar by clicking the Export button on the left-hand side and download everything as a PDF. Don't forget to keep checking My Meetings to accept and decline incoming meeting requests and monitor the requests you have sent. My Networking shows the details of the connection requests that have been accepted, and My Bookmark Companies shows a list of sponsoring companies that you have saved. Enjoy the virtual summit.